老外看各国飞机餐。
Now America.
Calm down. And this looks like chicken masala.
我想看一看你们中国的飞
Pasta
机餐
duet.
有没有小龙虾？
So it's like probably two different types of pasta
It's okay, it looks healthy.
with
though.
tomato sauce.
Japan.
Japan. Oh, actually, I was quite
Surprise?
surprised that Japan and Korea are so different from each other, and in food they are very related.
The bread roll and the low park butter again.
That's a little container. You can take it home.
We got salads.
Your mum will take the container home. She loves containers.
Yes, I love containers.
She loves Tupperwares. Tupperware lady.
Those are the sauces to go with everything else that you have. Oh, see, that's how I will do it. The bread roll first.
Bread roll
With butter.
yeah.
Oh.
Salad. Very healthy though. I think that is the noodles.
That is the noodle.
Sauce for noodles. Yes, that's what it says there.
Yeah, like you can read Japanese, right?
But
Yeah.
it says that in English. You did not say sauce
Sorry,
for noodles.
sorry. No, thank you. Again, come on, seriously, where's
This
the
is like
beer,
a
man?
potato salad. Potato salad.
Salad, orange.
Just two
That's fruit. Just
Oh.
too little. I'll be hungry.
And this is the food. No, thank you.
Nah. I will go back to France. That's pasta.
I think it is fish. It is. It's
Yes, it's fish.
It's bacalhau.
Maybe yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Bacalhau. And this is potato salad.
Yeah, potato salad.
Americans love potato salad, son.
India.
Is this the airplane food?
Yes.
This must be first class.
First class, yes. I don't think the regular class.
Yeah,
would be
you have
like
a glass
that.
of wine.
Yeah, definitely. Oh yeah, definitely first class food.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't know how it feels like.
We know business class very good.
Yeah, business class, yes we do, but first class. No, to be honest, I don't like this first class. It's too much salad.
It's kind of
Bread.
The bread is always there, isn't it? The bread is just like to fill you up a little
You
bit
can
more.
choose different meals like gluten free and
Yeah, now you have that
that
choice.
is the cake. I think that is the cake.
You can
But,
pretend, oh, I cannot eat gluten. Be careful.
And that's the cheese. So we have some.
Yeah.
Oh, I like this cake.
This is normal class. Like
That looks like carrots and walnut cake. Yummy. Oh, Gabi, I want to go on holiday.
Let's go to Shanghai.
Yeah, let's go to Shanghai. I don't mind as long as I can have holiday. We can go.
Let's go to Disneyland.
it looks okay actually to be honest.
Yeah, look, that is like a jelly thing.
That's a yogurt jelly.
Oh, I like this one. I will definitely. That's breakfast, like scrambled eggs.
Yes, that's bread. Yogurt, bread.
Yogurt, bread. That's
No,
nice.
no.
It's not scrambled eggs. It looks like.
I wouldn't eat that.
I'll not eat that.
I wouldn't
You will
some.
eat the bread and the crackers, Gabrielle.
Yes, I will.
And
Oh,
the
fritterolls.
desserts. Yeah, the
Fritter
fritter rolls.
Nice.
Oh.
Hey, I prefer Jingtao. Jingtao's beer. Jingtao's beer. Chinese
Ice
beer.
cream.
Friends.
What is that?
Oh, croissant.
It's
Oui,
probably, no, that's probably
oui.
the Madeleine. But that is what? That is like the chicken with cream, like sour cream, maybe cheese cream. The curry rice. Yummy. Actually, I can make curry out of rice. And fruits. It never happened to me on the airplane having such a
What is
nice
this?
food.
It's still in front.
That is probably mashed potatoes, the vegetables in the middle, and then the meat on the other side.
That is
That is
chocolate fondue.
the cabbage. The red one is the cabbage.
Red
Yes,
cabbage.
the
yeah.
red cabbage.
That looks so good.
Probably creme brulee.
China. 没有小龙虾吗？
Actually, we fly before in Asian Airlines
Yeah.
with
Which one? It was, I don't know,
China Airlines,
southern China.
Southern China, and it was really nice food.
It was nice, yes.
Very, very good.
It was very good food,
Wow.
very tasty.
Yeah, but we never had served like this,
You know
right?
what? That's enough.
First class.
No, that's what
Okay, Sichuan?
Yeah.
Sichuan?
Yeah, but we never went in first class, so we don't know.
Yeah, that would be good. The hot pots on the plane, that would be good.
I don't think it would be. It would be very
我要去
safe.
吃海锅。